Sermon number 213. Sublimity of Allah, and Eulogy of the Prophet. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Praise be to Allah, who is above all similarity to the creatures, is above the words of describers, who displays the wonders of his management for the onlookers, is hidden from the imagination of thinkers by virtue of the greatness of his glory, has knowledge without acquiring it, adding to it or drawing it, from someone, and who is the ordainer of all matters without reflecting or thinking. He is such that gloom does not concern him. Nor does he seek light from brightness, night does not overtake him, nor does the day pass over him, so as to affect him in any manner. His comprehension of things is not through eyes, and his knowledge is not dependent on being informed. Allah deputized the Prophet with light, and accorded him the highest precedence in selection. Through him Allah united those who were divided, overpowered the powerful, overcame difficulties and leveled rugged ground, and thus removed misguidance from right and left.